Hey guys, I thought I'd film a quick video here. The purpose of this video is to take everybody through how to link Search Console to GA4. All right, so here is the homepage of GA4. What you want to do is go to the bottom left admin panel. It's this cog on the bottom left here. Click on that. Okay, and then you'll have the account column here. And then here you'll have the property column. Scroll down until you see product links. All right, you're looking for Search Console links. And remember, to do this, you need to be an admin on GA4 and you need to be an admin on the Search Console property. So it needs to, oh, my cat just meowed. That's how you know it's a live video. Ignore him, he doesn't know this product. So you have to have admin access to GA4 and also admin access with the same email to the Search Console property. Let's click on Choose Accounts. And again, it's going to show me all the accounts that are associated with this particular email that is an admin on GA4. So I'm going to click on this Search Console property because that's the same one as this GA4 property, right? So leesidmusicschool.com is the GA4 property, and I'm going to link the Search Console property here too. Right? That's the property name of Search Console. We're going to click Confirm, and we're going to click Next. And yep, under Web Stream, that's the only one we have here, so we're just going to click on Choose. Then I'm going to click on Next. And then I'm going to click on Submit. Perfect, link created. It was that easy. So this video is probably less than 5 minutes long, and I hope that was helpful to everybody. That was a quick way to link Search Console to GA4. And even my cat chimed in. All right, hopefully that was helpful to everybody. Any questions, leave a comment below. But again, GA4 is super useful, super easy as well. And these videos are designed to demystify any kind of confusion around the product. Again, so go to admin, find the property column, look for product links, find Search Console. As long as the email is admin on both the GA4 property and on the Search Console property, you can link your Search Console super easy with 1 or maybe 2 clicks, and then you're done. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.